with you.
All right, so this is technically dish number 3, really, for Mama Shra's and Mother's Day. And we have Jack Daniel's shrimp, right? Hopefully she'll enjoy this. I enjoyed it when I sampled it, right? It was delicious, right? And hopefully you will too. So stay tuned, look at the recipe, and tell me what you thought. Let's get it. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. So for the shrimp, we're gonna need a teaspoon of salt, right? A teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of ginger, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, about 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and about 3 tablespoons of Jack Daniel's, honey to taste, and your shrimp. Okay, let's get this ready to go. Let's make this shrimp sauce. So, add some olive oil to the pan. Nice. While that's heating up, add our ginger. Add our garlic and our ginger. Get that heating up and just stir it in. And our salt, right? Our pepper. Our soy sauce. And our Jack Daniels. Now you want to be careful when you add the alcohol because you don't want it to flame up on you. With this simmering here. And what you're doing now is you're cooking off the alcohol. So give this about a good 30 to 45 seconds. And the alcohol will be cooked off. And now we're going to add our honey. I would imagine about a good, couple tablespoons is all you're going to need. So let's get that in here. But know your audience. If they don't like it too sweet, don't make it too sweet. If they like it very sweet, hook them up. There we go. The sugars are foaming up because a lot of the water has evaporated. Turn the heat off, because that's all we need. Now let's baste the shrimp. So with the shrimp, we're going to take our sauce and just baste it. Okay? Baste it. And we're going to grill this. All right, let's add our shrimp. Shrimp on here. Give this about a minute and a half per side. All right, let's flip these bad boys over. Oh yeah. it in half. All right, let's take these guys off. We're good to go. Okay, so there we have it. Our Jack Daniels, right? Grilled shrimp. It's delicious. I know you're gonna enjoy this. Hey, try out the recipe. Let me know what you're thinking. Right? Give me some comments. Share it out if you can. If you're not part of the Peanut Gallery, hey, subscribe. Join the Peanut Gallery. Give me your thoughts. That being said, this Shra, I'm out because I have to feed some folks.